Okay, so on your real number system, you have the natural numbers, which are your counting numbers. Counting numbers would be starting at 1, and it's your whole numbers, okay? And then whole numbers are your counting or natural numbers, including 0. All right, then you have your integers, which is your whole numbers, 0 and up, but it also includes the negatives. So any negative or positive whole number is an integer. Then you have your rational numbers. Those are numbers that can be written as a fraction. Decimals must be terminating or repeating. So what I mean by that is, for example, a terminating decimal is like 1.236. Okay, it stops. It doesn't go on forever. A repeating decimal would be like 1.333, etc. Okay? Pi is not one because there is no pattern to it. Repeating means it has a pattern after the decimal point. And then you have your non-repeating numbers, which that would be your irrational numbers. So those are non-repeating. Or a never-ending decimal. So pi is an example. Square root numbers, if it's not a whole square root, those are also irrational. And then there are others, but those are the main ones. So again, rationals would be all of the numbers except for your irrationals, and then that's kind of how it's grouped. Irrationals are their own little thing, but an integer is also irrational, but it's not necessarily a whole number. So for example, -3 is an integer, but it's not a whole number. -3, however, is irrational. Okay? And then now you have a big old box, and that is all real numbers, because there are such things as what we call imaginary numbers, and that will be talked about when you get to Algebra 2. And I guess on your next page there is the diagram of the real number system if you want to put that there.